Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Milz, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a button hook. A button hook, it's pretty much this, and this is my first time trying it, so you guys are going to be the witnesses if I'm able to put this on or not. So the way you do it is you use this and stick it in here. That's one step, and then you drag it like this, hook it right here. You see where it's hooked, and then pull it. So you can say it worked. Okay, now let's do this one. It's kind of hard since it's up high here. Zoom in, zoom in. You guys can see my scar there. I am a C5 quadriplegic. I just fucked up, so let me do it one more time for the one time, and then it slides like this, and you pull it like this, and that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you use a button hook. I look like what do you guys think about my shirt? Like super old school. I got her from the Segunda. I think it makes me look like an actual Mildred. Like, you have quad hands, let me know if this works out for you, because it clearly worked out for me. It's pretty easy to use. It's not heavy. It's okay. Wait, I don't know. Okay, this is making me feel uncomfortable because you can kind of see my boobs. But, okay. The YouTube life, I guess. So, we are here, and then we're gonna... okay. Come on. Whoa. If you're into the tapada life, yeah, you know, but since I'm trying to get me a man, I don't think I'll be using this hooky. I'm playing. It's this is so cool. Hold on, let me put on my jacket. And this is not a button jacket. This is how I put my jacket, because I feel like it's easier. And my clothes is bigger than what my size is, because it's just easier to put on. I don't really wear like tight clothes because then I struggle more. All right. And in my zipper here, I'll be using the hook. Hook it right here. And then I would just do this. Oops. So if it falls, it'll still stay there, okay? Ow, ow, ow. And then you do this. And then to take it off, you kind of just do that. So this works for sure. Now let's do part 3 of fucking up my clothes with another shirt. Okay. Okay, so this is a different kind, because if you look at it, it has no holes. The holes are like, there's like an opening somewhere right here. Like, the fuck? It's a little difficult. Like, you see? Hold on. You see? Okay, so now there was a time that I wouldn't wear button-up shirts. So yeah, that's pretty easy. And then what you want to do is hook it on. It's in. And then you pull. Flip. Oh, this was different, remember? And then it's in, it's in, it's in. I think this will be the tricky part. If you're a quad, you hate buttons, don't you? I know it. I feel like I don't know how to rate this, because it's not because a thing sucks, it's because my hands suck. So I don't know what to rate it. It's not because the item sucks, it's my hands suck, you know? So it is, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna rate it, guys. I don't think I'm gonna rate it because And there, it is done. I don't know what to do. I don't know like how I feel about it. I do like the hook, but I think this works better if you don't have it on. So that's why I say if you're a quad, you probably wear looser clothes. I'm not telling you to wear baggy clothes, but I feel like looser clothes does make everything a little easier to put on, especially if you're a quad, you have like a lot of, you struggle with the range of motions. So most of it is not because you're like weak, it's because your range of motion sucks. So range of motion plus weakness makes you even weaker. So yeah, I would suggest you guys to do it on the table, because I'm about to show y'all how easier it is on the table. So if it's bigger, you can just put it on. So check it out. So then you do this, and then it does this. Then you get this one right here, get it through the fat thing, pull it, keep pulling it, and you would do this. And then once it's here, it's done. It's easier if you just put it on the table, and it's all about trying to be independent again, right guys? I don't know how I feel about this, honestly. I mean, the hook works. This, I don't know because I'm like a quad and I struggle with this, and I know there's people that have like their motor function, their finger function is worse than mine. So I don't know, but it's worth a try. It's worth a try. I feel like I kind of failed y'all because it's not like a really review, but I just want to show y'all how I do it. If you guys have anything else that helps you guys, let me know, because sometimes I do it with my teeth, my mouth, or whatever. It works, you know, but I just thought it was gonna be like easier. It did fuck up one of my buttons on my pink sweater, but I mean, yeah, there you go. There you guys have it. There goes the review of the button hook or whatever. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. It's greatly appreciated, guys. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Overall, I think it worked, and I think it could make your life easier. I bought this from Amazon for around like $6, but if you look at it, it is actually pretty accessible. So yeah, it's super easy to open. I feel like I'm about to go to church. I don't know.
Thank you for watching my video, guys. See ya. Don't wanna be ya.